exist. Only to schools attendance, even slips of doctors, symptoms, his medication. There's no paper trail. There was a doctor friend of mine to fill out the GD sports in school. Nothing was written down there. Famous place.
How did that happen? Can I look at your eye? Go over to take your straight. Or you have to hurt your eye? Hurt your eye, then you come.
That's what the habituates in the system. Seizure nights also can be a breakdown.
That's the trip to make the test. Stevens' internal organs are swollen and bleeding.
Who's probably already happened? He was a police officer.
I'm saying this meds will kill him. This whole phony drug charge had nothing to do with it.
We're not sitting here at home, Mr. Hayes. We're starting to look at the remarkable.
Don't you make it worse.
Jake.
She's sick, she needs help. Oh, thank you, Jake. Poor baby. Baby needs help. What am I doing there?
I don't know.
Help!
Yes.
Yes.
Help!
Yes. Yes, she needs help.
Where?
What a good boy, Jake. Oh, dear.
Yeah, I'm
What
gonna.
a good boy.
I will go.
This is Jake. Jake hears me coming home from work. He waits by the porch door so that he can see the outside door and see me come in the house. Usually when he hears me, he runs to the door to greet me. Today, he ran into the cat room where the buttons are and positioned himself here by the buttons. There's Dad, there's Rio, and there's Mom.
Hi.
And Jake says hi. I was so thrilled. Of course, I went over and modeled hi Jake and told him I loved him and came back and gave him some pets. But I was so thrilled because this is the first time he has ever run to greet me with his buttons.
11 years old. Some time later, I wrote the tune you are now hearing, which is part of the score of Ethel Merman's Broadway hit Happy Hunted, for which I wrote all the music. I swear that the above statement is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Signed, Harold Carr. All right, panel, these three people all claim to be Harold Carr, composer of Mutual Admiration Society and the other great hit tunes from